Hello, hello. Hope everybody is doing awesome. We got through another week. Hopefully, you crushed your goals. Just popping on here to do our rate update so we know exactly what the rates look like going into the weekend. Had a really busy week. It's awesome. Couple closings this week went really good. One that was real near dear to my heart. It was one that we won over from a retail lender who were kind of giving people a runaround. So what's new with that, right? And going to my go-to lender. So super happy about that and stoked about that. I have some awesome lenders that I'm able to go into my tool shed, go into my weapon, my what is it, my quiver, and pull out that arrow and get you set up with that. So super stoked about that. Very busy week. Good luck to my realtor partners out there over the weekend. If you have any open houses, I willing to help you out. If you need help, if you need a lender's insight in those open houses, let me know. I'll be working this Sunday. I'm actually going to probably make a rounds to some open houses. I have a little gift package that I bring out. And other than that, let's see, what else do I have? Any announcements or anything? I don't think I do. Uh, Rates looking pretty decent. Let me see what they were last week. Uh, the government loans, FHA, VA, USDA, stayed pretty consistent. Conventional did tick down a little bit, just an eighth of a percent. But all in all, looking pretty good. Ooh, looks like my tie's a little crooked. Get that straightened out, man. Gotta look professional. Yeah, looking good. Before I get to these rates, I just want to explain to you that these are not rates that you can go to a credit union, go to a bank and get, go to a retail lender and get. They're going to give you what they think they can get away with. These are rates that I get by making 50 of the most competitively priced banks all over the United States compete every Friday. And then what I do is I just show you the best rate. So if you're in Kansas, I can work with you. I can get you wrapped up super fast. We got the 22-day close, and that's 22 days or less on a Bolt qualified borrower. And what I mean by Bolt just means that they're a W-2 borrower. They have a credit score over 640, and they are not needing any gift funds. So they have the funds there to close. So we can get those done hyper fast. Okay. And then the next thing is we have custom appraisal panels. So this has been a thorn in the side of brokers for many years, is that we can't pick who the appraisers are. Well, now we can build our own panel, and we have those appraisers that are slower than molasses. We get them off our panel. We have those appraisers that are on some kind of valuation vendetta, get them off our panel. We work with the professionals and we get them done fast. So everything in our business is focused on speed. So if you're looking for speed, I'm your guy. So other than that, 24/7 availability. I'm a night owl, but I also wake up early in the morning, so you can reach me when you need to, and I'm good at getting back with you. I had a listing agent who, hopefully, I have a good build a good relationship with her and maybe some people in her office, but she was just blown away by the communication through the process. And that's always good to hear, because too often we hear about lenders not having good communication. But these rates, this is for a 30-year fixed on a 30-day lock, and this is without paying any points. Okay, so here's my rates. Conventional is at 6.125 with an APR of 6.409. FHA is at 5.625 with an APR of 6.631. VA is at 5.625 with an APR of 5.836. USDA is at 5.625 with an APR of 6.071. If you notice, there's usually a lot of consolidation around the government loans, FHA, VA, USDA. They do change and a little bit different from time to time, but for the most part, they're going to be about the same. If you notice, FHA's the funding fee, or the APR, is a lot higher, and that has to do with the FHA funding fee is a lot higher than any of the other products. So that's the discrepancy between the APRs. The APRs aren't as important when it comes to a mortgage because all your fees are upfront, and so after that first year, your interest rate is what's important. But to be in compliance, I always have to disclose the APRs. So that's something that I do on here. But those are the rates. Look pretty good, pretty flat. Now they did come down earlier in the week, and now everybody was getting kind of excited, and then they kind of they jumped back up a little bit today. So it's kind of what it's been. It's been like one of these things throughout the whole the year. So, hey, hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. I will see you on the other side. Talk to you later.